Hi, it's Ms. Whitaker again with Whitaker's Words of Wisdom. We're going to work on scientific notation today. If I have 4.36 times 10 to the 5th power, this is written in scientific notation. Scientific notation has one number to the left of the decimal. This is telling me when I am ready to go from scientific notation to what is called standard form, where I just write a number, I'm going to move my decimal 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those empty spots get zeros. So when I write this in standard form, my answer is 436,000. I've gone from scientific notation to standard form. Let's do another one. If I have 7.03 times 10 to the 2nd power, I'll show you a different way to write it. You may see it like this. This is how you would write it if you were on a computer. This would show you to the power. So I want to grow by 2 places. 1, 2, standard form, 703. Let's try another. I want to grow by 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those empty spots get zeros, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will write my numbers. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Scientific notation, standard form. Also, scientific notation can have negative exponents. So if I have 6.2 times 10 to the negative 3, again, scientific notation, and when I write it in standard form, I am getting smaller. I'm going to have a decimal answer, smaller by 3. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 2 zeros, 6, 2. We'll do another one with negatives. Let's see, 3.02 times 10 to the negative 4. Okay, again, it is a negative, so I know I'm going to have a decimal answer. I'm going to get smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 zeros I will need. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. Okay, now we're going to go from standard form, which is just a number, and we're going to take that to scientific notation. So if I have this, standard form, a number, and I want you to write it in scientific notation. As I said earlier, there's only one number to the left of the decimal. Then I'm going to write down all my numbers until the only thing that's left are zeros. It is always times 10 to some power. So now I have to count. How many places did I move? If I don't see the decimal, I know he's hiding here. We've talked about that before. And I want to go to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. 10 to the 5th power. Now if I had this and I went backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would come right back to this number. So this is standard form. This is scientific notation. Let's see. Ooh, we're going to do a big one. Oh, gracious. Okay. Let's see. I have one number to the left of the decimal. I will put a 0 here as a placeholder, because all I have are zeros now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh. Okay, let's do a decimal. If I have 0.321, and I want to write that in scientific notation, Again, one number to the left of the decimal, the 0 does not count, times 10. How many places did I move this decimal to get him here? I moved him one place, so that would be to the first power, to the negative first power. Because if I'm going to solve this, I would say one time, and I would be right back where I was. One more. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, one number to the left of the decimal. 0, 1, 2. I have to write down the 0. The only time I don't do zeros are that's all that's left in behind. Okay, and it is times 10 to the, how many places did I move it? I moved him one place. So that is a negative 1. Would that get me back where I was? Yes, it would. And that's scientific notation.